Did you know that basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal has a peculiar fear? Despite his towering stature and dominance on the court, Shaq has admitted that he's afraid of flying in airplanes. This fear has led him to explore alternative methods of travel, including buses and trains, whenever possible. Despite his fear, Shaq has managed to overcome it for the sake of his career, traveling extensively for games and appearances. However, off the court, he's been known to avoid flying whenever he can, opting for ground transportation whenever feasible. It's a quirky fear for someone who soared so high in his basketball career.